Pensacola Beach, Florida, a city known for its emerald green water, silk sandy beaches, and American pride. For the next 4 days, I'm tackling these unfamiliar waters head on as I fish from the Kawasaki Angler Jetski, exploring Pensacola's inshore and offshore fisheries, from jigging the inshore bridges to fly fishing on the flats, running the beaches, and heading 60 miles offshore into the Gulf. We are pushing the limits on the skis to see, is this rig really worth it? Join me as I fish these waters for the very first time and attempt to catch different species and trophy fish, all out of the jet ski, and maybe jump a few waves in between. This video is brought to you by Boating Magazine and Kawasaki. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Ryan is Fishing. Today, we are out here in the beautiful Pensacola, Florida. I've never been here before. We got in last night. Right beside me is the brand new Kawasaki Angler jet ski. These things are made for fishing. They are just beautiful and powerful. I've never fished on a jet ski before. I'm really excited for this experience. I've done a ton of kayak fishing. I've caught some really cool fish from small watercrafts. Never before on a jet ski. Joining me on this awesome adventure is another creator named John. I'll have his socials down below. I got my boy Andrew behind the camera. We got Phil over there. Say what's up, Phil. The goal today is to get offshore on these jet skis. We're actually gonna be running close to 30 miles just to get to a fishing ground. Andrew behind the camera and Phil, they're gonna be helping us out on a mothership. They're gonna be filming on like a 34-foot center console. We're gonna have gas, food, tackle, and really whatever we need. We also got these awesome ICOM radios right here, so we're gonna be able to radio them. Big fish on, hopefully. And really whatever we need. Hoping to get some cool pelagic species. We're gonna start trolling for some wahoo, maybe for some kingfish, some sailfish. I brought all my jigging gear, so maybe we'll do some jigging for red snapper, groupers. Who knows what the fish gods will bless us with today, but I'm just grateful for another day on this earth and on these awesome jet skis. Y'all stay tuned, let's catch some fish.
How's that?
Perfect.
Yeah, there's no way in hell I'm wearing this.
Oh yeah, we don't have a gaff either, huh?
Oh, hi. Thank you. Thank you. Come on, folks.
We need a gaff. After nearly forgetting the gaffs, it was time to get serious and lock in, because we have a 60-mile round-trip journey offshore and a mission to complete to get the jet skis slimy and find some offshore giants. Alright guys, we are getting set up right now with our rod. We are 20 miles offshore in the Kawasaki Angler jet ski. Gonna troll some baits for some big fish. Oh, fish on, fish on. Yep. Alright. Fish on. First fish of the morning, baby. Oh, it's a damn shark. All right, guys, first fish of the adventure. It is the shark that was by the boat. Little black tip. It's crazy, these guys smell like urine because they secrete urine through their skin. We're gonna go ahead and put him in, and hopefully doesn't catch him again. See you, bud. All right, guys, we're dropping down a jig right now. We just got to a new spot, taking a break from the troll. There's a bunch of vermilion snapper here. There's grouper. There is jacks. There's amberjacks. There's a bunch of really cool fish here, so we're gonna see what we can catch. We just got to be patient and let this tiny little jig hit the bottom, and we should get a bite pretty quick. Fish on! Good fish, good. All right, guys, we just dropped the jig down and we're hooked up. Woo-hoo-hoo! On the ski.
on that squid tracks. It's digging. It's a decent fish. Hey, it's a good fish. I got color. And it is. Oh, it's a little almaco jack. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, beautiful. Check out this gorgeous almaco jack. She absolutely hammered that little squid tracks right there. It took me forever to get to bottom, but when it did, it got crushed. Fun times fishing on the freaking Kawasaki angler jet ski, baby. Woo! Give her a proper head dive. You! She's gone, baby. Let's catch some more fish. Fish. Good fish. Good fish. Yeah, this has got some size to it.
Probably another jack. They like that split, man.
Yeah, they do. It just takes a while to get down. All right, guys, we're hooked up again on the Kawasaki angler jet ski, baby. Woohoo! Light tackle. You can't beat this.
Hey, look what I got.
Hey!
Toro.
That's a really cool fish. John just caught a weird snapper I've never seen before. Getting close. Let's see what we have here.
You got color yet?
Just about. It's a better fish. She's still. Whoa, dude.
That might have turned into a shark.
No, that's a fish. I wonder if it's a king.
Could be a who?
Could be a who. She's close. She's a big fish though. Oh, king! Giant king! Giant king!
You got a gaff on there, buddy.
Yep. Giant king or a wahoo.
You need us to gaff it?
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. There's a cover that's stupid.
I see it. It's a giant king. Holy smokes. Look at that king!
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, this is a monster. It's a gigantic kingfish. This is my biggest king I've ever caught. Maybe position the boat this way. She's here. Got her! Oh my God! Oh, no way! Gigantic kingfish! on the little squid tracks, ultralight. No way! No freaking way! That's a smoker right there, boys. Holy smokes! Woo! Woo! Guys, check it out on the little tiny soft squid. Ugh. Oh, baby. That's a great kingfish anywhere. And she smoked the freaking artificial light tackle. That's amazing. Let me hold it the other way so I don't get demonetized. Oh, guys, check it out. Beautiful kingfish. Absolute amazing catch on light tackle. I say she's probably 35 pounds. Great, great fish. Anywhere in the world on the ski. Fantastic catch, I'll never forget. Oh. There she is. All right, guys. Spot number 3 on the way in. Gonna do some jigging here. We're in 72 feet of water. Some really, really good marks. Hoping to get a red snapper here. There we go. Fish on. What could it be? Oh! Yeah! It's so pretty. There we go, guys. Red snapper on the jet ski. On the jig. Oh! Woo! That thing whacked it, dude. Check it out, guys. Juvenile red snapper. Look at those colors, man. She is just beautiful. They get a lot bigger than this. Protected in these waters and not in season, we cannot keep them. But gorgeous fish to admire, and another one falling victim to the jig on the jet ski, baby. Beautiful fish. Guys, what a freaking day. We're back here on the lift. 60 plus miles travel on the jet skis, man. It was just absolutely amazing. Just totally new to both of us. This is our first time ever fishing on skis. And I will say I'm really, really impressed with the Kawasaki angler. This thing was just so much fun. My highlight of the day this morning, that stud king, just an unreal catch. We're about to fillet her up right now. John also caught a freaking massive shark on the jig. That was really cool.
Yeah, it was a great day. I mean, it's kind of cool to think that we were out there where sport fishers or 35, 40-foot boats were, and we were just on a jet ski trolling around. Conditions were a little rough this morning, but this thing held out really well in rough seas. Bite wasn't the greatest, but we kind of did the best we could with the circumstances. We did jigging, trolling, just fished the whole day, and it was an awesome first day.
With that being said, we got to flay some fish and clean some stuff and a whole bunch of behind the scenes YouTube type of things. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, welcome to day number 3 of the Kawasaki Angler Adventure. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous day here. We just wrapped up an epic air show put on by the Blue Angels, and the goal today is to do some bridge fishing. We got quite a long run. Got about 20 miles to the bridge that we're fishing today. On the back of the ski, we got light setups. We got a rod to dangle some live shrimp on our knocker rig. We got a couple swim baits. The wind is blowing today, so we are going to be tucked inside. Doing some bridge fishing, looking for some big bull reds, maybe some sheep's head, big ugly black drum, and who knows what else we can catch. But really, the big bull redfish is our target species. So we got Big John over there. We got Andrew and Nate and the big sea hunter right there. and we're gonna go see what we can do, man. Hopefully stick some good fish today. All right, guys, we just arrived here to Garsham Bridge. It's a massive bridge here in Pensacola, and home to some pretty big redfish, the black drum, and some sheep's head. Those are the target species today, and I'm gonna start throwing some artificial swim baits and trying to mark and see if we can find some fish. Slack tide is switching to incoming, and we're gonna see what we can do, man. We gotta fish hard and try to make something happen today on the skis. I've never fished inshore on a jet ski before, let alone at a massive bridge like this. Lots of things to be mindful of, such as these gigantic bridge pilings. And yeah, we don't want to crash anything. I'm scanning right now. It's 9 feet deep here. And not really marking a whole lot. I think I'm gonna go check the deeper part of the bridge. So we switched to a shrimp right here. I'm gonna go ahead and cast this towards the piling. We're gonna see what we can catch. Fish, good fish. Good fish. It's big. Just tied on a shrimp. I think this is the red. Just tied on a shrimp. Oh, big bull red, giant. Ho ho ho! He's huge. Oh my God, he's giant. There we go, baby. Just tied on a shrimp. I knew I marked some reds. Oh no, it's a giant black drum. On the ultralight, baby. Just tied on a shrimp. There we go. Woohoo! Heck yeah, he's under the ski. Big black drum. No landing net. Literally just tied on that shrimp too. Good one. Dude, so strong. This is literally on my bass gear too. On the bass gear, on the Kawasaki, baby. Stud black drum. I kept getting bites on the swim bait. We just got to get her nice and tired out because it might be hard to land her. That is sweet, man. I haven't caught a black drum in so long. God, dude, they're strong. Strong fish. Oh, there we go, baby. Oh, it's a good one. On the ski. First fish at the bridge, and that is exactly what we came out here for. Some light tackle, artificial fun. Good black drum. That's epic, dude. Thumped the shrimp first cast, tied on the shrimp, and I knew I had marked something big right in front of this piling. That was like my fourth drift through. Got some weird short strikes on the swim bait, tied on the artificial shrimp, and man, she freaking gobbled it. Thumped it so hard, fought great on the bass gear. Just absolutely epic. Big, ugly, on the ski, baby. You gotta love it. Look at that shrimp. Dumped it, baby, on that little salt strong, salty prawn. Beautiful black drum. Woo-hoo-hoo. She's drumming along. We're gonna go ahead and get her back and try to get some more because they're chewing. All right, guys, been a little bit now without a bite. We've been working all these bridge spans slowly and patiently, marking a lot of fish actually, but nothing seems to be wanting to bite. So what we're thinking now is gonna fish here for another 20 or 30 minutes or so, and then we're gonna run to the 3 Mile Bridge and we're gonna see what we can catch. Ah, got a fish. Oh, lost whatever it was. All right, guys, we are going to try a different bridge. Also, I want to give a big shout out to Mustang. These are the best gloves and life vests right here. And these for riding on the jet ski make such a great difference. So we're gonna go ahead, fire up the jet ski and ride on over across to the 3 Mile Bridge and fish there for a couple hours. Hopefully we get our redfish there. But let's go ahead and let's go catch them. Let's go. All right, guys, found some pretty good sized marks over here. There it is. There we go. Hooked up. See what we got. It's fighting weird. Oh! Good fish! Hey! We got a flounder. Caught a flounder, man. Come check this out. Guys, check that out. That is a gorgeous flounder. I knew it was fighting strange. That is a really, really cool looking fish, man. What a beautiful species. Check it out, guys. Beautiful flounder. And on his backside, completely bare. Well, maybe we can get a keeper out of here. Release him off the ski. There he goes. Sick. Let's try to get more. All right, guys, we just reset from that flounder. And just to break down the kind of the technique that we're doing. So it is an incoming tide and we're getting swept into the bridge. So I come out here, I set up, let my bait hit the bottom because I'm fishing a very, very light shrimp. And then we're just gonna kind of drift in with the tide. And marking a lot of stuff at this bridge, I think more than the other. And we're just kind of hopping the shrimp along the bottom, letting it hit the bottom every single time. And sometimes when it's really hard to feel it, I just kind of look at my line and you see a little tick, and that'll let you know that you just hit the bottom. Oh, we got a fish on. Another freaking flounder. Oh man, got a pork fish. That right there is a fantastic redfish bait. Hear him croaking at you? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and release him. Haha, little Jack. super small jack crevalle. But hey, another species in the ski. Alright guys, good morning. It is day 4. We got a flight to catch in a couple hours and we're getting after it. Got a couple hours to make it happen, catch a fish. The really goal today is to get a redfish. Be really off to close the video with a redfish, but I'll take another big drum. We are gonna run back to 3 Mile Bridge, do some bridge fishing. Beautiful day, slicked out, calm. Be a perfect day to run way offshore today. Unfortunately, it's the day that we leave. I want to give a big shout out to Boating Magazine for allowing me this opportunity to come out here and film on the Kawasaki Angler Jetski and do some fishing on it. It's been a pleasure meeting John too. He's an awesome guy. Been a lot of fun on these skis. Bit of a challenge at first, but I'm feeling like I got the hang of it now. Looking forward to this beautiful run. The air temp is probably low 70s right now. Feels so nice outside. It's just absolutely beautiful. Hopefully we can close out the video with a good fish. Let's get after it. Alright boys, final day. We just got to 3 Mile Bridge. Yesterday we did catch a lot of species here. And there's actually red snapper that live at this bridge, believe it or not. Very cool. Gonna fish the bass combo today. And something that you always need to be mindful of when fishing the gulp, don't leave it on your jig head because it will crush it. It will get all crusty on there and get stuck. Woo! Nothing like the smell of gulp to wake you up in the morning. Wake up and smell the gulp. Fish on. What do we have? Oh my God. Woo! It's called a ginormous mangrove snapper. Come over here. Holy smokes. That right there is a sandwich right there, boys. Look at that thing. I guess that's what we're marking on there. A bunch of snapper. Look at that fish. That's gotta be 13, 14 inches. Big old mang. Thump the freaking swim bait, baby. And we're marking ridiculous marks right now underneath of us. That is awesome. All right, y'all. New species for the trip. Beautiful mangrove snapper, AKA gray snapper. Delicious morsel right here. We've got these crazy marks on the bottom. I'm pretty sure are redfish, but pretty cool that we're catching these guys in the mix as well. That is a keeper fish. We're actually gonna give this to Phil's brother-in-law. So we're gonna throw it in the big boat. Here, I'm gonna yeet him in the net. Hey, that was sick. That's a perfect sandwich right there. We marked great stuff all the way out here. Still marking. Looks like there's schools of, they're big marks. It's a school of something. It's not little fish. And I mean, the bottom is literally like 10 feet, 15 feet up, just solid marks. So, fish on. Oh. Fish on, fish on. Hey, good fish. Big fish. I think it's a red. There we go, baby. It's a big fish, man. Well, whatever this is what the school is down there. Oh yeah. Oh, redfish, baby, let's go! Stud red. Gorgeous big redfish, man. Gorgeous. Woo! Over here. If you want to come over here. Gorgeous freaking red. They're stacked down here, bro. I marked the out of them. Oh, dude, beautiful fish. On the 3-inch. Guys, we got what we came at. This was the goal, man. This was the goal. In the freaking ski. That is how we want to wrap up our day in Pensacola, baby. That is exactly what we want. Smunch the freaking 3-inch. We're marking a bunch of redfish down there. We're gonna catch a lot more than this. But that right there is what we want, man. Gorgeous, dude! In the freaking jet ski. That is literally the goal that we've been grinding for. And sure enough, marked them. First cast, thumped the freaking swim bait, man. That was so sick. I actually got hit, lost the fish. This fish came up behind it and smoked it. Woo! Swim bait is out. One last look at this fish. Let's release her. Give her a beautiful release. Release this gorgeous fish. There she goes, man. Woo! In the freaking ski. That was so sick. Well, we know exactly where they're sitting. We know the cadence. Let's catch some more. That is awesome, man.
One of my favorite things about fishing is the journey never ends. There's always something new to learn, a different fishery to explore, and fresh challenges to overcome. 4 days fishing in Pensacola was not easy, but we made it happen. Huge thanks to Boating Magazine and Kawasaki for the incredible opportunity to fish out of the Kawasaki Angler jet ski and explore this beautiful city. I'm looking forward to coming back and fishing here again. Shout out to ICOM radios for making on-the-water communication effortless, and to Flow Fast for simple and easy refueling. I spent a ton of time editing this video, so if you enjoy it, please drop a like, leave a comment. If you want to see more fishing adventures, consider subscribing to the channel. And as always,
Release this gorgeous
keep on
fish.
fishing.
There she goes, man. Woo!